When we hear about artificial intelligence, or AI, it can sound intimidating, but what if we saw it as a powerful new tool, like the invention of the computer or the internet? Instead of taking things away, AI helps us solve big problems and create jobs we haven't even imagined yet. Just like the invention of cars created new industries, AI is opening up a world of possibilities. The real magic? AI is designed to work with us, not against us. It can handle repetitive tasks, freeing us to be creative, think critically, and connect with each other. This partnership between people and AI is where the real opportunities are. So let's replace fear with curiosity and ask, how can this help me? What can I build with this? By learning about AI and embracing change, we can all help shape an amazing future. The journey is just beginning. Let's get excited for what's next. AI is creating jobs that didn't exist a few years ago, and they're not just for tech experts. Roles like AI specialists and machine learning engineers are building the digital world, but there's more. AI trainers teach computer systems by labeling data, showing that you don't need to be a coder to make a difference. AI ethicists and policy advisors ensure AI is used safely and fairly, blending technology with human values. Prompt engineers and AI content creators use creativity and language to communicate with AI and produce amazing results. These new careers prove that imagination, communication, and critical thinking are more valuable than ever. Whether you're a builder, a teacher, or an artist, there's a place for you in the AI revolution. The future of work is about collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. AI is opening doors for all kinds of talents and interests. AI isn't just making new jobs, it's transforming the ones we already have. Doctors use AI to scan medical images, freeing up time to focus on patient care. Teachers get AI-powered tools to personalize lessons, helping every student learn at their own pace. Marketers and designers use AI to analyze trends and generate creative ideas, letting them focus on what makes their work unique. Farmers use AI drones to monitor crops, and firefighters use AI to predict wildfires, making their work safer and smarter. In every field, AI acts as a powerful assistant, not a replacement. It takes care of the repetitive tasks, so people can focus on what matters most. From healthcare to the arts, AI is helping professionals do their jobs better. The future of work is about people and AI teaming up for greater impact. AI is leveling the playing field for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators. With AI, anyone can design a logo, write product descriptions, or manage social media. No big team required. Writers, artists, and musicians use AI to brainstorm, create, and polish their work, amplifying their talents. Small businesses can use AI-powered translation and chatbots to reach global customers and provide 24/7 service. Many AI tools are easy to use and affordable, making it possible for anyone to turn their ideas into reality. AI empowers individuals to build, create, and share their passions with the world. The world is changing fast, and AI is a big part of that transformation. The most important skill now isn't coding. It's curiosity and the willingness to learn. Try new AI tools, experiment, and build your personal toolkit for the future. Human skills like creativity, empathy, and collaboration are more valuable than ever. As AI handles technical tasks, we'll have more time to connect, solve problems, and imagine new possibilities. The future is a blank canvas, and we all have a paintbrush. By staying curious and focusing on our strengths, we can shape a world full of opportunity. The adventure is just beginning. Let's explore what's next together.